What's up guys, Golden Pug here, and today I'm going to show you my chickens. Is anyone out? There you go! Thought no one was out because there was no sound. Specs, don't be scared. Don't be scared, boy. Wait, girl. I get confused because the name makes me think it's a boy. Go on. Go run along. Do you want me to move for you? Proof for the turkey. Turcoletta! Turcoletta! There's the back of her. Let me try and find the head. Stop following me! Turcoletta! There you go, there. Big one right there. Then there's Sweetheart, Bro, Sooty, Pancakes, and Brownie, the brown one over there. Specs, hello. Are you scared again? Whoa! Run! Some people at my school don't even believe I have chickens. So here's proof!